EDN114 ICT Assignment by Hannah Woods, student number 32449634. I declare that this is my own work. Introduction. The technological advances of the 21st century have been incredible so far, and things are just getting better, with more discoveries and breakthroughs happening every day. With the developments in internet and the introduction of portable electronic devices, this technology is becoming more accessible and a crucial part of our everyday life. Students as young as grade 1 now understand how to and are able to work iPads, mobile phones, computers, and the internet. Technology has slowly but surely become an essential tool in teaching of students from all years and in all schools. However, it has quickly changed from just a resource and tool used in ICT class to an appliance that is overtaking the traditional pen and paper method. Discussion. Technology is even making its way into the classrooms, with students nowadays requiring iPads or laptops to complete the majority of their schoolwork. Some schools are even making it a compulsory item for all students to have. I personally do not agree with this dependence on technology throughout the classroom. In the practical experience that I completed this semester, I observed many students not doing what they were meant to be doing and playing games when the teacher was not watching them specifically. I also observed that technology can be fairly unreliable, forcing the whole lesson to be disrupted when something did not work as it was supposed to. However, I do feel that educating students on the proper use of such technology is important to allow them to become a functioning and contributing member of today's technology-dependent modern society. I also feel that technology such as the internet, when used appropriately in a school setting to research or complete work, is an incredibly useful and knowledgeable resource. So what is Hot Maths? Cambridge Hot Maths is a comprehensive and interactive online learning system that aims to assist in the learning and teaching of mathematics. It also doubles as a resource provider for students, teachers, and individuals in the home and at school. What is on Hot Maths? Hot Maths consists of a variety of flexible programs and resources that cover the mathematics being taught in classrooms ranging from middle primary to middle secondary. Hot Maths also has connections with many programs and curriculums, such as the Australian Curriculum, Cambridge General Math, New South Wales Australian Curriculum, New Zealand Math and Statistics, and many more. So how do we use Hot Maths? The program is started by selecting the course group and year level of the student. Hot Math will then supply a list of topics relating to the chosen course group or curriculum. Once you have chosen the topic, several lessons will become available. Once a lesson has been chosen and selected, an interactive description of the subject appears. This goes through everything needed to know for the later quizzes. Once you have gone through the lesson and have learnt the content, you are able to complete small, interactive quizzes and a final challenge. So what are the advantages of Hot Maths? Hot Maths is a well-designed online mathematics learning system. It has many advantages, some of these being accessibility, as it can be accessed from anywhere with the internet. It is easy to understand and navigate through. It gives students an educational experience with the internet and technology. It provides a wide range of activities for students of all mathematic levels, and the teacher can view what the student has completed. Are there any disadvantages of Hot Maths? Hot Maths is a well-designed online mathematics learning system. However, the use of technology, the internet, and Hot Maths in particular do present some disadvantages. Some of these being the reliability of technology. The teacher cannot watch what every student is doing at the same time. This gives students an opportunity to not be doing the work they were assigned while still appearing that they are on track. Sometimes looking at computer screens cannot teach children. Some need guidance and a human perspective. Hot maths generally only provide and explain a topic in one or two methods, whereas a teacher can come up with many different ways of explaining things to cater to students with different learning methods. So does it link to the curriculum? The role of ICT is essential in expanding curriculum-based learning opportunities for students of all year levels. Hot Maths is a wonderful resource in providing these opportunities, as it has a direct link with the Australian curriculum. This link is presented when selecting the course group, in which the students will complete the lessons from. The subject I chose to demonstrate the link between the Australian curriculum Hot Maths was Grade 7 measurement. When I was going through the Australian curriculum website, I found the curriculum content descriptor for Year 7 measurement. This content descriptor is establish the formulas for areas of rectangles, triangles, and parallelograms and use them in problem solving. This content is easily accessible through the Hot Maths website within the measurement topic in the Year 7 curriculum section. Another curriculum content descriptor that I found relating to the Year 7 mathematics measurement section was to calculate the volumes of rectangular prisms. This content is also easily accessible within the measurement topic in the Year 7 Australian curriculum section on Hot Math. After selecting the topic of Year 7 measurement, a range of lessons and quizzes, each covering what is required to be taught according to the Australian curriculum, is presented. So is it engaging? Cambridge Hot Maths is a very interesting and engaging resource for both teachers and students. The ability for teachers to print both worksheets and quizzes, as well as to participate in Hot Maths lessons during ICT classes, provides an interactive component for students to complete during class time. The interactive lessons and quizzes, as well as the online accessibility, allow students to access Cambridge Hot Maths while at home and continue their studies. So is it any helpful? The website Cambridge Hot Maths is very efficient in providing a fun, interactive and interesting alternative to the traditional pen and paper approach. The technology is quickly taking over the 21st century, and by providing students with access to this mathematics learning system, we are not only teaching the students mathematics, but also teaching them essential ICT skills. Resources. Although Hot Maths itself is considered an incredibly useful resource to be used in the classroom and at home, it also provides a significant number of resources to help with the teaching and understanding of each topic. These are accessible once a topic has been selected and the lesson has come up. This can be seen in the picture below. In conclusion, ICT and technology is becoming increasingly present throughout the classrooms, with students from as young as grade 1 being aware of how to use a wide range of technologies. This method of working is beginning to take over the traditional pen-to-paper method. I do not completely agree with these developments, as I feel the traditional method does work better. However, I do believe it is important to educate students on these technological advances. I believe that when used appropriately in educational ways within the classroom, mathematics in particular, as discussed throughout this presentation, these technologies can be beneficial in a student's learning. Cambridge Hot Maths is a wonderful online learning management system that is very knowledgeable and easy to understand, as well as fun and interactive. These factors all contribute to the making of a great educational website. I look forward to using Cambridge Hot Maths in my own classroom in the future. The end. Thank you for listening to and watching my presentation on the importance of technology and ICT using Cambridge Hot Maths as an example throughout the classroom. The next slide contains the references for the Australian Curriculum website and Cambridge Hot Maths itself. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.